You might as well come on. Come on. Come on, Pete.
Yo, Summer.
10 for a copy. Y'all officers stay
Hey,
safe out
Summer.
there. Don't try to die or anything.
Yeah.
Surprise.
Yeah, what's up?
I became an MG right now. I just became one. That's crazy.
Let me see.
I had to log off first before you can see my uniform, but you can see that on the rank. Go to rank and you will see that.
Ah.
That's crazy.
My phone is.
That's actually crazy. I thought I would not be MG no more.
Keep pushing. LTG next.
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Excusez-moi. Mbalo.
Almost pushed us away. Oh, never mind.
Man.
PD, please take Jerry.
Officer Rivers. We have a civilian standing outside the squad car behind HP in the parking lot.
Nigga, I don't give a fuck, nigga. I don't give a
No, I think somebody was bothering him.
Give me a supervisor.
Officer Rivers, I also, yep.
Hey, this dude arrested me in the hospital. You can't even do anything against the law in the hospital.
It's the rule,
Inside
sir.
the hospital.
Yeah, that's a green zone, sir. You're not allowed to have weapons in the green zone, sir. So get a weapon out. He's allowed to tase you and arrest you.
Bro, I didn't do anything though. I can't even do anything in the hospital. What are you talking about?
Yeah, like I said though, it's a rule. If you have a gun in the green zone, admins will sanction you and put you in admin jail. So we are
Bro, you
told
can
by
have a gun out in the green zone, bro. You don't have to have your gun put up in the green zone. You're allowed to have a gun out in the green zone. You can't even
No, you're
shoot in the
not.
fucking green zone.
No, you're not, sir. Especially when you're pointed at people. That's a threat, sir. 2.5.
Barney.
Alrighty, Mr. Sir, I'm gonna get your passport real quick so I know what name to call you by. But I given you the violations of 3.2, 3 point. You have 15 criminal violations. Perfect. Thank you for that. Okay, so Mr. Eldon, after reviewing your passport, sir, you're going to jail regardless. But yeah, you're getting charged from the hospital 3.2, 1.7, and a 2.5. 3.2 disobeying, 1.7 uncoordinated entry, so basically private property, and 2.5 for threats with murder threats with the weapon. Okay. I'm about to go ahead and search you real quick, sir. It don't matter if you're moving. I'll still be able to get you.
Yo, Savage.
Yes, sir.
Nigga, 100.
Anybody else driving
Hold
or
on, give me a
riding?
second real quick.
Can I go with you guys?